guys. So we're at Quebec City. We also spotted some beautiful arts made by artists. I'll show you guys the pics later. We're just traveling. This is kind of like a tourist spot. Look at that tour bus. So I noticed here.
5 minutes more, less 5 minutes.
I noticed here
This is the Frontenac.
Yeah.
The most picturesque hotel in the world.
I noticed that there's a lot of big buildings everywhere. And I don't know, it's like more fancier. It's kind of like Europe. Kind of looks like Europe or like France or like Paris. But all I can say is it's a beautiful place.
See that?
Oh, what's that?
Look.
I'm going to look who that is.
Rawa! Rawa!
Oh, yeah. There's a lot of people here. I'm kind of nervous though, but like, yeah. Look at the car. Oh, there's someone in that tree.
There's a... See? There's passenger. Sino yung passenger niya?
Skeleton.
Horse riding with sand.
Wow. Big buildings. Here's Mama. Mama, hi.
Si Kwan yan, si Barney.
Barney, the dinosaur.
Hindi ko.
The best spot for tourists ever. You want to vlog what? Here, vlog. Hello. Gusto kami ngayon sa famous.
Hello vlog, how are you?
Hello. Wait lang, picture. Hola.
Okay. May show dyan, anak. Tingnan natin. May free show yan. Carnival type.
Ok.
Wow, carnival.
Le prochain pas, on va faire un little warm-up. Le prochain pas, the next one, frapper le poteau avec mon épaule. Climbing the pole with my shoulders. Watch. Okay, listen fast. That's a very much Remember, this is actually very dangerous. Yo soy un profesional. I am a professional street performer, okay? That's why I work in the street 100% when the police is not working. Professional. For the last of my show, you will finish the metal scene. I'm gonna use this piece of metal, and for this, I will need 110 person.